Hello students, this is Kashif and this is our first lecture for the introduction of Python. So first of all, you need this program which is known as Jupyter Notebook. You can simply download it from Google. Just go there and write Anaconda Jupyter and you will have this. So let's start. By clicking on this interface will appear, the Chrome will open and this interface will appear in front of you. The first thing you need to do is click on new, click on Python 3 and this interface will appear in front of you. So click on this untitled one and now I'm typing introduction lecture 1 rename. So this kind of interface will appear in front of you. This is basically the command prompt of Python. So first of all, what we are going to discuss is Python is a very useful language, and with the help of this language you will able to work on different working environments. We will discuss it in the later video. First of all, I'm going to start the introduction. So here is the introduction, and in this introduction what we are going to do is we are going to use this command, which is the print command. So what is this print command? Print command is a command which is used to display whatever you write on Python. So let's use it. When you write this command, if it turns green, it means there is no problem in this. As you know that is a function, then you need to open this curly round brackets, or you can say it parenthesis. If I write 1 and then I press shift and enter, the 1 will appear. You can do this in a similar way. If you write 2 and you click this button 1, the same will appear. So this 1 and this 2 are basically numbers, and these numbers in terms of programming language are known as integers. So if I want to check the type of the input which I have entered, then a command is this known as type. You will check 1, it will give you int, which is a full form of integer. So this is basically how you can use print command to display a number or an integer. But if you type this print 2.4, it will display this. Okay, now let's do it in another way. Let x is equals to 0.2, shift and enter. The value of x is declared as 0.2. So if I write this print x, the value will appear like this. Okay, so if I want to check the type round bracket x, it will display float. Basically those numbers include this point, the decimal point in it. So this is the introduction of the video just regarding to print. Now if I want to enter a string are basically just those type of data which includes all the alphabets or characters. Now print, as you all know that my name is Kashif. I write my name and I press shift and enter. This error will appear in front of you. So what is the meaning of this error is? The meaning of this error is the string is entered. If you want to print a string, then you must apply this inverted commas. Now I write Kashif and the Kashif will appear. So let x is equals to Kashif. Another error will appear. Now I need to incorporate this Kashif. Now x is stored with a new value known as Kashif. Initially the value was 0.2, but This is basically a stack form. If I entered a new name in front of it, then Kashif will replace by this new name, and if I entered a number, then this new number will replace by this Kashif. So there is no need to worry. This is basically this is basically the function of Python. So if I write print x, it will display Kashif. X is stored as a variable, so no need to apply inverted commas. But if you enter a string, then you need to do it. If I check the type of x, shift enter, it will display this string. So this is all for today. This is the first introduction of our Python lecture. Thank you very much. But before leaving the video, subscribe to my channel.